Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons with L Designs here on a Monday night in my house slippers and sitting in my chair contemplating what I'm going to do to this nice thing here. 1965 convertible Impala on hydraulics. Very nice. Good friend of mine. What's up, Albert? Is giving me this car to do a lot. We're going to do a lot. So far, I've got everything. We got everything stripped out. Carpet is out. New carpet coming in. Gonna run new speaker wires. Replace all these speakers. These speakers are probably 20 years old. The install that was in here was 20 years old. So we're gonna put a whole new stereo system, all new speakers, all new amps. I started the amp board a little while ago. Got to do some more stuff to it. It's gonna be a full custom job, full custom show car, as you can see. We got a lot to do. Good old school Dynamite. If you guys know, this stuff is old. So we put some new stuff in there. I have all the amplifiers come across here. We're even gonna do the trunk lid up here. That all dialed in. It's gonna be a few surprises. So please like and subscribe so you can see the end result. It's gonna be a few videos. Don't know how many, but we'll get you guys all updated pretty much every week on the progress of the 65. Chase, get out of there. 65 Impala. Please stay tuned.